Yo, YouTuber, you searching for a Pokemon Go spoofer working in 2025? Well, I've managed to find a Pokemon Go spoofer that you can use on your iOS or Android device, and it's going to allow you to completely spoof the game. GPS, locate anywhere in the world. You can locate all of your favorite Pokemon without even moving. You can play from home, and tons of different features, guys, and it is super easy to do this, guys. You just need to make sure Pokemon Go is installed on your phone first of all, so make sure it's fully updated, fully on your phone. And if you're on iPhone, make sure you also have low power mode turned off. And if your battery is low, you may have to turn off your low power mode because we need the background app refresh to be working, and this allows the Pokemon Go spoofer to connect to your mobile game, your Pokemon Go game. Next step is open up the internet, so you of course need an internet connection as well. And you need to go to www.wavyplugin.com. So head on over to Wavy Plugin, guys. This is a modded app store. You can scroll down and have a look. They have tons and tons of different modded mobile games and what have you. I'm just going to go to the search bar and search for Pokemon Go. You're looking for the Pokemon Go Spoofer. Click to get Pokemon Go Spoofer with Joystick Teleport and other features. So like I said, guys, this is going to basically allow you to spoof in the game and basically get all of the rare Pokemon and play from home. So no matter what the weather's like, if it's bad weather, you can still play Pokemon Go and just move around with the joystick. So hope you enjoyed, guys. Pretty easy. It just takes a few minutes to go ahead and get your spoofer. You just got to go to Wavy Plugin and go ahead and get it. So enjoy, smash the like button if you found this video helpful, and I'll see you on my next one.